Welcome to April. I have my April loyalty rewards order here from doTERRA. This is my monthly wellness box that gets delivered right to my door each and every month, and you can customize it and order whatever you'd like at any time throughout the month. And there's lots and lots of freebies and promos that you can get for placing a monthly order. But it's also not required and can cancel at any time. So I'm really excited because I have been ordering consistently and I racked up some points towards free products. So actually about half of this order is free using my points that I redeemed this month, and then the other half I ordered and paid for with my own money. So I wanted to go through and just show you all of the items that I got. I was able to get a lot of things off of my wish list that have been holding and keep getting rolled to the following month and the following month because other things are priorities. And so I went ahead and redeemed some points and got those things so that I didn't have to wait anymore. And that includes a lot of those oils you see right in the middle that I finally was able to get that I've been putting off. So we're just going to dive in. Some of it was free and some of it I paid for, and I'm just going to go through whatever we grabbed first and talk about all of them. So the first thing I made sure to put on my order this month is the new ginger digestive drops. So these are new and they are like lozenges that you can use to help with upset stomach or anything that's going on digestively. So these have ginger and lemon essential oil in them. So I'm excited to try those. The other new thing, well, there's new deodorant that I didn't get because I already am stocked up on a bunch of deodorant. But the other thing that I got that is limited time only right now is I stocked up and I got 4 of the new Citrus Bloom. So this is the new springtime blend. It is out for Mother's Day, and you can get the oil by itself or you can get the oil in combination with a Brevi diffuser and a beautiful white marble. So I went ahead and just got the oil by itself because I already have the Brevi in another color and I have so many diffusers. But this is the oil. It is the springtime blend, and one of these I already cracked open. I think it's this one. And it just smells so good. Very, you've got the floral and the citrus. So it's kind of like a combination of Citrus Bliss and then some of our floral oils. It has wild orange, grapefruit, lavender, Roman chamomile, and magnolia in it. So I have been loving magnolia at night for sleep, and this smells very similar with that magnolia coming through to me. And so this is beautiful. We've had this in the diffuser ever since I got the box. So snag these up before they sell out. Next things next, I always get all my supplements. So you can see back here the Lifelong Vitality Pack, and then with that pack you can add on up to 3 additional products at a reduced price. And so I went ahead and added on the PB Assist, so that's our probiotic, the Terrazyme, which is the digestive enzyme, and the Mito2 Max, which is the energy and stamina complex. We take these every single day, and I needed to restock them because I made this super cool thing. I think I'm going to do a separate video so you guys can see this, but I made this travel pack. So when we travel for the weekend or we're going out of town or just to leave on the countertop, I made this cute little organizer with a tackle box from Hobby Lobby that has all of the supplements in it. So as you can see, I didn't have any more probiotics to fill up this container, so I'm going to fill it up. So that's those 3 supplements that I added on at a discount. I also, while we're on the supplement thing, I needed to snag both of these. So when I made this cute box and have all of the stuff with us, I used up all of my Digestive Blend soft gels to fill the container. So I needed to refill those for my stash. And then I also needed to get the Yeast. Now Yeast is 10% off this month, and you should definitely get yourself a bottle or 2 or 3 or 10 because this is the seasonal blend. So it's got lavender, lemon, and peppermint. and it is fantastic for any of that pollen you might be dealing with or anything seasonal threat wise. And so these two are staples that we like to keep on hand and take whenever we need to. I popped a couple Tri-Yeast this morning because I woke up with a congestion and all the stuff going on. So these can be taken directly internally with some water, and they're these little soft gels here. You can see all the different ones, and they're super easy to pop in and take. So something that's not necessarily new, but it's been reformulated, is the bath bar in the Citrus Bliss. And so the Citrus Bliss bath bar, they reformulated it and improved the ingredients and all of the smell and made it a little stronger on the citrus Bliss scent. And so these are new to us. I've actually never even had the old one, but James loves Citrus Bliss, and so I figured I would snag up a 3-pack at a discount of the new Citrus Bliss bath bar. And if you smell it, if you love the smell of Citrus Bliss, you need to get this. Yes, Marinella, you need to get these because they smell so good and going to make your bath time just so invigorating in the morning. And even at night, these would still be fine to calm down at the end of the day. So check out and grab yourself, especially the 3-pack. You can get them for you can get 3 for the same price as 2 if you buy the 3-pack. So I went ahead and snagged those up. Let's talk about hair care a little bit. So I talk about shampoo and conditioner a lot because I have been refilling those recently, but I ran out of my Healthy Hold Glaze and my Root to Tip serum, and I actually squeezed out just the last bit this morning, and so I'm excited that these got here because I'm going to need them. But I use the whole doTERRA skincare and hair care line, and so the hair care line is 4 parts. It's these two, and then the shampoo and conditioner. It's simple, straightforward, can be used with color-treated hair. Any hair type can use them, and it is just fantastic for everybody in the house. And so, yes, we shower with shampoo and conditioner, and then when I get out, I do a pump or 2 of the Root to Tip serum to help strengthen my ends and prevent any of the splitting and damaging that might be going on. I don't use a whole lot of heat, but this is a really good protectant for that. And so it comes in a 30 ml, and it's got a little pump top like this. And then I use the Healthy Hold Glaze as my mousse or my gel, whatever you would like to replace. So this is actually a light hold, so it just depends on how strong of a hold you want. I like to have my curls be able to move and enjoy the wind and all that kind of stuff. So I really like the fact that it's a light to medium hold instead of like a super firm hold. I used to use mousse, and it was just like your hair was like concrete, didn't move all day, looked wet and nasty. So that doesn't happen with this. It still looks like it's dry and flowy, and so this is a good option for those hair days. So snag up both these, or you can get a combo pack of all 4 of the hair care items very conveniently that way. These are all going to roll, so let's go through them next. So as I said, I went through and snagged up a bunch of oils that I've been putting off, and 3 of those were the last 3 I needed in the Emotion set. So I have the Emotion set there's 6 oils in the Emotion set, and I have all of them in the roller bottle, and I have now collected 3 of them in the 5 ml. These bottles can be used in the diffuser, and so I needed to collect the rest of them. So I finally just went ahead and redeemed points and snagged all of them and just went ahead and got it done, because emotionally there's a lot going on, especially in the springtime and renewing. And so I wanted to make sure that we had all these on hand that we could use in blends and in the diffuser. And I see so many people that make blends with, 1 or 2 or a combination of the emotional oils. And I'm always like, oh, I just wish I had that one. So we went ahead and got all of the ones I was missing. So Console is our comforting blend Forgive is the renewing blend, and Passion is the inspiring blend. And I also wanted to get Forgive because it's in the Symphony of the Cells forgiveness protocol, which I have been learning, and I have been using it a lot in our home, and it's been nice, but I only have it in the roller bottle, and I would prefer to have it in the bottle that I can drop on the back of the recipient. So I went ahead and grabbed all those. And then another 2 that I needed to add that I've been putting off. These are a little more on the pricey side, which is why I've been putting them off. And I finally decided that it was worth it and I should have these ones because they're really great for a lot of things. Helichrysum is like liquid stitches, amazing for all your skin support. Anything that's going on with kids, you can even put it in a roller and roll it around the area. Good for repairing and all that stuff. Roman chamomile, great for sleep support, teething, all of that. So I went ahead and finally just bit the bullet and used the points and got all of the ones that we've been waiting on. And so I'm excited to crack these open this week and start falling in love with them as well. I went ahead and grabbed a container of Terra Greens. So Terra Greens are the fruit and vegetable supplement. This is in a powder. We like to add this to smoothies along with the trim shake and some collagen peptides to get some extra fruits and vegetables without all of the sugar. And so if you take a look on here, you can see there's greens, there's grasses, there's fruits, and there's oils and everything all in this container all together. And so we'll just add a scoop or 2 to a smoothie and get all the extra nutrients that come from these fruits and vegetables. And so there's about 30 scoops in one container, and it's super helpful to have when we're not getting enough fruits and vegetables in our regular diet. So get yourself one of those. I needed to replace mine. Normally I talk about this first, but it was at the bottom of the box. This is the Lifelong Vitality Pack. So these are the 3 daily supplements right here, the Alpha CRS, the XE Omega, and the Microplex VMZ. And so these are your daily supplements that you need to be taking. They're going to help with sleep support, skin support, digestive support, literally everything that you could think of. And there's a 30-day money-back guarantee with this box. And so if you take them for 30 days and you don't notice any difference, you can send the empty bottles back to doTERRA and they will completely refund your purchase price. So if that is something that you're interested in and you want to give them a shot, let me know. I'd love to get these in your hands because they are amazing. And if you look right here at this lifelong wellness benefits, you can see all of the great things that these supplements help with. And so I am loving it. It's part of our little pyramid here about eating right and helping to reduce our toxic load. So there's so much goodness in this box. And again, if you buy the box and you add on the 3 supplements, you can get those at a huge discount. So that is where I snagged up that PB Assist, the Terrazyme, and the Mito 2 Max with those. And then, because I placed a loyalty rewards order before the 15th of the month, that was 125 PV, I got this Breathe Respiratory Blend RollOn for free, which again, this is another thing that has been on my list of things to get. I love Breathe. It's the first oil, got me hooked with doTERRA, but I've never had it in a roll-on like this. And so I am excited to add this to the collection and finally have that. So if you place any loyalty rewards order above 125 PV before the 15th of the month, you will automatically get this put in your cart for free from doTERRA. Nothing else that you have to do to work for it. You just need to order and you can get it for free. So this is, again, the respiratory blend. Great these springtime with all the seasonal threats going on. I love to apply it to my chest or under the my nose to help with opening up my airways. So this is going to be a fantastic addition. And then because I placed a 200 PV order this month, doTERRA continued the promo that they had going on in the month of March, and you get a free bottle of Deep Blue Rub and a free 5 ml of our Deep Blue Soothing Blend oil. And so this combination together is like a $70 value that you get for free just for placing a 200 PV order. Now that can be a standard order, it can be a loyalty rewards order, or it can be an enrollment order. So anybody can qualify for this promo if you get started with a kit, or you want to get started with getting yourself on loyalty rewards and getting that free breathe and getting these. You can get it all for free this month. So let me know if you have any questions. I'm sure that I am throwing out words that people don't know. Loyalty rewards can sound confusing, but it is super simple. Just a monthly wellness box that shows up at your door every month, and you get freebies just for ordering. So check it out. Get yourself some Deep Blue, and let me know if you have any questions. Make sure that you comment on which products you are most excited to have in your home and the things that you really want to get, because I will be doing a giveaway. So make sure you drop a comment about all the products that are on your wish list, and I will do a drawing. So have a good day.